Welcome to another episode of the microprocessors course. In this episode, I will teach you the instruction set of 8086. This instruction set will be categorized into these types. One is data transfer group and second one is arithmetic and logical group. Third one is branch instructions, loop instructions, mission control instructions, flag manipulation instructions and shift and rotate instructions. Finally, the string instructions. Them have a brief look at the individual instruction groups. The data transfer group is meant for transferring the data from the register to register or from the register to memory or from memory to register, not meant for memory to memory. So the example instructions are move instruction, nothing but to copy the data from one register to another register. We can use move and push instructions, pop instruction, LEA load effective address, so LDS, LDSO, LESO. So these type of instructions we are using in data transfer group. And the next one is arithmetic and logical group. Arithmetic is obviously we know that arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So you add, sub, div, mul, these type of operations will be done in arithmetic logical group operations. The logical group means that and operation, or operation, not operation, and other additional boolean gates also. Boolean gates also included in this logical group in theoretical point of view. So branch instructions is another next important instructions. Branch instruction is nothing but we are using a call instruction, jump instruction, interrupt instruction, return instructions. All these are branch instructions. So suppose if you are using call 3000H, it calls the 3000H memory locations. And jump instruction within the program, it may jump from one place to another place. Providing some peripheral devices connecting to the microprocessor, interrupt will be used for that purpose. If it goes to the sub program, then it has to return from the sub program to the main program. For that purpose, return is an instruction is used. Like that, we are using the branch instructions. Later, we will see elaborately. Similar way, the loop instructions is another instruction. If you are using some counter programs, suppose let them take the counter is equals to 5. The counter may be decremented from 5 to 4 and 4 to 3, 3 to 1 and 0. Whenever it's x equals to 0, it returns to the 5 again. Like that, if not x equals to 0, something we have to do some conditional statements like that. As a loop, maybe it revolves around the particular area in some conditional or unconditional statements, like loop instructions also used. Next one is the mission control instructions. This is another type of instructions which can be used for knowing the status of the processor. This is another important instructions, like HLT is temporarily halt the program. That instruction is used here, halt instruction. Wait instruction is another instruction. Whenever we are connecting the peripheral devices to the processor, it needs some time to synchronize together. Meanwhile, wait instruction is going to be performed. And the next one is NOP instructions. If nothing will be done in the processor, then NOP instruction default will include. So these type of some status mission control instructions while defining the status of the processor will be used. Next one is a flag manipulation instruction. So we have a flag register, like flag register we have auxiliary carry flag, zero flag, overflow flag. So different flags for different purposes we are using. So that for that purpose the flag manipulation instructions used. So carry flag, auxiliary flag, zero flag, overflow flag. So other flags also we have. Later we will discuss elaborately each and everything what is the purpose of these flag. If possible, if we have any doubt in the flag register, I have already covered this flag register in the 8086 in the previous videos. Let them go and check it out. Next one is shift and rotate instructions. Means that suppose the binary code is 100, I have to these are the 4 digits, so that I am taking the counter equals to 4. If counter decreases from 4 to 3 and shifting towards the right, so it may be the 0100. It shift another time, it may be 0010. Another shift it is a 1, so it is 8. It reduce it to 4, it reduce it to 2, it reduce it to 1. So sequentially it divided by 2 operation is going to be done. In addition to that, the counter is decremented from 4 to 3 to 2 1. Also shifting operations, particularly in counting operations and other operations, this is shifting function either maybe the left side or right side. With a rule we are using in so many instructions. Similarly, this one maybe comes to the again rotate from LSB to MSB. USB. So rotate instructions is also used. The example instructions are shift right instruction, shift left instruction, rotate right instruction, rotate left instruction. These are the instructions we are using so far now. And string instruction is another instruction to scan the data and to the compare the data and store the data, move the data. So in particular cases, the string instructions are also used. String manipulations effectively used to move the string data from one segment another segment is also possible using the string instructions, using the directional flag and all that. So later we will discuss elaborately with these instruction set of 8086 individually. Now I have given a minimum idea, a brief look about this instruction set. Elaborately we will discuss about the further lectures. Thank you very much. See you again. Bye bye.